there it was. It looks like my green beans are becoming ready. Let's look at these. Holy moly. They're getting there. Wife's gonna be so happy she's gonna have green beans to we're probably gonna end up freezing these green beans this year just because I didn't plant enough. Apparently I was supposed to plant like double this amount, but that's all right. We're gonna see what happens. And we freeze them, I'm still happy. We still got something in the freezer, and that works. It probably won't work for like the off-grid type, people who want to live off-grid, but for people that don't live off-grid, freezing's a possibility. But if you do live off-grid, you're gonna want to plant. I probably got, I'm gonna say 16 feet of green beans. 16 feet probably isn't enough for a family of 6. So I'm probably going to say I need double that amount. So, but I'll let you know when we come back with our harvest of green beans. We'll check it out after we pick them and stuff, and we'll see how much we get, how much we canned, how many quarts we did. Better thing about this than bush beans is that I don't actually have to bend over and break my back. If I put my bush beans in the raised bed, it may not be so bad. I'm gonna try, maybe I'll try them out in the raised bed next year, but it may not be so bad if I do the bush beans in a raised bed.
To get ones that are very high, we have our dad get them, or we just climb. Big ones.
Holy smoke.
There's the nest of the birds. I don't know why they did it in our garden.
Break out that little bit so that way we have more green bean to eat. Let's can some green beans. Here I'm gonna fill these jars up with green beans. You can do it like this. Isn't gonna hurt anything. Use 1 teaspoon, 1 TSP, 1 teaspoon of salt per jar. Usually I put this in before pickling salt. Water boiling, the water heating up inside the pressure canner. We got water boiling to put inside the jars, and this is for lids back here, if you can see that. Called it.